Welcome to lesson 4, the hydrangeas. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Let's go to the palette and get out some paint. And then we'll do some grays, neutral gray with a little buff white and a little purple, the light purple, the brilliant purple. And let's just kind of pop in part of a little pathway right here in front of this cute little cottage. Just going to take it all the way to the bottom. And then let's add some light. So we got the dark kind of in there. Now some lights with some buff white. A little bit more buff white. And just drag it across. Very simplistic. You could always bring back some of the shadows and drag them over that too, but I love it. These are going to be a little darker. Right in here. And you can use the tip of your knife and just kind of wiggle it around in the brown. I like that a lot. Okay, some greens in there. So there's a little bit of wildflowers just popped in right along this base. Love that. We're going to do the same. Just kind of pop in a little ridge of green right along. The bottom of this. And they're smaller, like these are little wildflowers, so your strokes will be a little smaller than our big hydrangea leaves. Kind of pop in just some cute little wildflower. Good, good. Okay, now we've got those darks. Now we can kind of fill in the rest. This is the underneath the leaves. Just you wait till we start popping in those leaves. So you want a lot of contrast. So you want it to be dark enough. So then when you have your lighter leaves, it just pops right over the top. Okay, that's super thick. I like that little purple in there. Got it kind of dark. That's a good rule of thumb too. If you need anything darker, add that deep purple or the dark purple and ultramarine blue too. And that just helps darken colors immediately without adding black. Okay, so once you have that nice dark backdrop, next up, clean off that palette knife. And let's add some lighter greens. So phthalo green, the 2 yellows, even some buff white in there. I'm going to need more gloss gel, my goodness. And if you're noticing that it's turning too minty, add some blue. Add a little blue. And some yellow ochre always helps. Yeah. And then I want you to scoop up fairly thickly. And we're just going to do some broad strokes for the leaves. I need some more buff. Let's kind of soften it a little smidge more. I hope that brought you a little joy today, and if it did, hit subscribe so we can paint together again soon. All my paints and supplies are linked below, and whenever you want to go deeper, come find me over at letsdabble.com. I'd love to paint with you there too. Let's do it.